Hello, welcome to Casimod modification software. Casimod is fast, easy to use, and powerful. You're now looking at the dashboard. The dashboard is designed to work with an individual or work with an entire office. Buttons that are highlighted in gray allow you access to the basic functions and the files that you're working on. The buttons underlined in white will give you further access, and these come in handy if you're managing an office. There's an internal messaging system built into the software, which will improve your communication channels. And you have appointment calendars available. In order to add a new file, simply click on New File. Enter the information. The zip code will determine the city and state. And you can even track referral sources. The application is designed as a point of sale. It focuses on what needs to be answered immediately, so you can discuss the options with the homeowner. Items highlighted in yellow need to be completed. We'll start with the first mortgage. In order to pre-qualify for the Home Affordable Mortgage Program, we'll need to complete the first mortgage information and income information. Within minutes, we have determined that the homeowner does qualify under the guidelines for the Home Affordable Mortgage Program. It is estimated that the first mortgage payment could be reduced to $930 a month, which would be a reduction of approximately $570 a month. If the homeowner is excited at this point, you simply complete the application. When the application no longer shows any yellow highlighted areas, you can then travel to the worksheet, or you can create a follow-up appointment with your homeowner. We'll select Worksheet. The software will check that all topics have been completed. It will automatically assign any documentation that you typically need to have returned by the homeowner, and then transfer you over to the worksheet. From the worksheet, by answering just a few more questions, you'll be able to easily analyze the program that the homeowner qualifies for. Simply select Analyze. Answer any further questions. And then simply select the program that you wish to pursue on behalf of the homeowner for a modification. Please note that the software will provide you with the guidelines for the Making Home Affordable program. We'll select the program. Your terms are automatically set, and your total income and expenses based on net income and gross income, front end, back end, and net total are automatically calculated. You also have the availability of looking at the section called Dirty, and the Dirty section will show you some items that you may be concerned about. If the homeowner wishes to continue and employ your modification services, simply travel to the mail center. From the mail center, you can select from a myriad of documents that you can either email, fax, or print for delivery to the homeowner. All lender financial worksheets are included in the software and pre-populated, and they are updated on a 30-day basis. To transfer a file from an application status into a processing status, simply click the green button and move the status forward. You can go ahead and track payment arrangements. This function can be disabled from the administration panel. We'll select None. You can also track follow-up appointments to collect the remainder of the fee. Select a processor. And now your file has been placed into processing. The software has been designed to work with individuals that want to utilize the basic functions, but also for those that wish to use the higher-end functions. Basic functions are highlighted in gray. Higher-end functions are underlined and in blue. You have the ability to track any pre-qualifications that a lender may issue. You can also track denials. You can also access lender rules. All eligibility requirements for the Making Home Affordable program are listed here, including whether the homeowner passes or fails to pass the guidelines. You can track conditions by selecting the button with the puzzle on it. Initially, conditions are automatically entered by the software. These are the typical conditions that you usually require a homeowner to return in order to process a modification. You can check them in and show them as received by selecting the green button. And you also will be prompted, should there be an email address available for the homeowner, whether you want to send out a confirmation email. You can reset the condition, cancel the condition, and even send out an individual reminder email to the homeowner if you're still pending for this particular document. Or you can send a complete report to the homeowner, letting them know that there are still conditions remaining that need to be sent in. Documents can be electronically saved on your computer, and you then will be able to pull them up from within the software. You have access to lender information, and you can track the negotiator and/or representing foreclosure attorney on the lender's behalf. Based on your keystrokes and/or mouse clicks, notes are automatically created. If you notice, these notes were not created during this presentation. These are automatically created by the software. You will always have a proper quality control report showing exactly the steps that you took throughout the modification process. In order to exit the file, you can select a button called Looked At, or you can schedule a follow-up appointment for the file. We'll select Next Review, select a date. Notes are automatically created, or you can add to these notes. And mark it as urgent or non-urgent. From the Manager dashboard, you can then go ahead and select to look at additional files. Select Processing to see all files that you currently have in processing. Select Applications to review all files that you've completed an application on, but that have not committed to your modification services. You can also print reports by selecting Reports. Casimod modification software has many functions available. They work with an individual or they work with a large office environment. Thank you for taking the time to look at the Casimod modification software. And if you'd like more information, please do give us a call or email us. Thank you for your time.